Hey everyone, welcome back to the Fraud Analytics lecture series. In today's session, we'll explore what exactly a fraud analyst does, breaking down the role into three main categories: monitoring, threshold generation, and alerting. In the day-to-day monitoring of any product, a fraud analyst tracks several key performance indicators, or KPIs. If we consider a banking environment, some of the important KPIs include transaction count, transaction amount, alert count, alert dollar amount, and the number of claims or disputes raised. Additionally, the analyst monitors application flow through various channels like branch, online, and customer care centers, which can further be divided into live chat, telephone banking, and more. The fraud analyst is also responsible for generating reports, escalating issues, creating thresholds, and setting up alerting dashboards. Another key task is performing trend analysis. So how are thresholds generated? Thresholds are based on historical data and trend analysis. Fraud analysts use methods like calculating mean, standard deviation, and variance to establish classification thresholds. Sometimes they also use the interquartile range, or IQR, to determine upper and lower limits. These thresholds are updated periodically to keep pace with evolving fraud patterns. For example, a threshold set in 2021 may no longer be relevant by 2024 because fraud tactics and behaviors may have changed. Let's take an example. If a threshold is set at 70%, anything below that could be considered not fraudulent, while anything above that would trigger a fraud alert. Now let's move on to alerting. Alerting is often done using visualization tools like Tableau, Power BI, or even Excel dashboards. Analysts set thresholds based on past and current data and compare today's data to see if it breaches any set thresholds. If a breach occurs, automated emails are triggered, creating an escalation for further investigation. Once these alerts are generated, they are reviewed by another level of analysts who perform a deeper dive into the data. The ultimate goal is to improve true positives, catching actual frauds while reducing false positives where non-fraudulent transactions are mistakenly flagged. In collaboration with the strategy team, fraud analysts generate rules to capture ongoing frauds. These rules are then incorporated into dashboards to automate alerting and capture suspicious activity. If you found this information useful, I'd encourage you to like, subscribe, and share the content. It takes a lot of effort to bring this to you, and your support means more than you can imagine.